Hi everyone, my name is Carrie Kipnis. I'm going to be doing my field placement at a major Ivy League university's counseling center as a clinical intern. There's a couple things I hope to get out of this experience. One, I kind of want to challenge some internal biases I have. I've never worked with a college population, especially one at an Ivy League university. I think what comes with that, in my mind, is that I assume the socioeconomic status of a lot of the clients that I might be working with. And I know that that's not a fair representation. I do come from working in the residential substance use treatment world, where the facilities that I have worked at are primarily Medicaid funded or county funded clients that have really high needs and more complex needs, especially when it comes to financial barriers and insecure housing. And so I think that this will maybe challenge my perspective of the types of problems that I assume the clients at this counseling center might have, and maybe enrich my understanding of maybe the universality of all of these problems that both clients, populations I've worked with might experience. What I hope to get out of the placement is also just a general deepening of my clinical skill set and the counseling micro skills I'm trying to hone. I consider myself more of a macro level social worker that I want to do more public policy advocacy and harm reduction work with the substance use population. That's my professional interest. But I do know in order to be, a well-rounded social worker, I do have to be comfortable in micro-level settings and direct practice settings. So I hope to get more comfort in that realm as well. What I hope to get out of this seminar and this course is just hearing my peers' perspectives on what they're going through and what they're dealing with at their field placements. I think I often learn a lot just by hearing, my story told through other people. And I know that maybe normalizes my experiences. Also, kind of hearing how everyone navigates different situations is very helpful learning for me. So I look forward to hearing everyone's experiences. I also am hoping to get a lot of guidance from my peers and from our teacher as well about juggling all of these multiple roles. I work full time. I have to work full time as well as participate in school and manage this field placement. I'm a little worried about, managing all of those things and still maintaining some semblance of self care and a work life balance. So I look forward to getting feedback on that as well. And in general, I'm just really excited for this opportunity, and I look forward to getting to hear from all of you. Thank you.